Aveda, what we've done is we've combined that saliva hormone test with a weight release program, which provides the client with very tailored solutions to not only release weight through nutrition, also to balance their hormones, which creates a very sustainable lifestyle once they've been able to release the weight that they desire. If you're a woman over 40 and you've been struggling to lose weight, I want to tell you why. The reason is the hormones are out of balance, and your best choice now is to do a hormone test through saliva to get a baseline to enhance that weight release system. You may have never heard of the saliva hormone test. It's a bit of a secret, and the reason is it's just not known to the medical profession, but what it will do for you will enhance how you feel emotionally, physically, and your ability to release weight. My name is Kelly Nolan, and I'm a pharmacist, and I first found out about the saliva hormone test in 2008 when I was taking training through the US specific to creating compounded bioidentical hormones for women. Bioidentical hormones are prescription, normally creams, created specific to that client based on that saliva hormone test. It's not a cookie cutter. It's not the same dosage that every client will get out of a regular pharmacy. It's very specific to you. What I discovered over the years was the key to weight loss for that client, specifically in menopause, was treating the client with tailored solutions based on that saliva hormone test, more specifically with natural supplements. The saliva hormone test provides a baseline of 5 hormone levels: estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, and the adrenal gland, DHEA, and cortisol, all specific to a woman going through perimenopause and menopause, which will compound and slow down their ability to release weight, as it also affects their metabolism. My experience over the years is there's 2 different clients, one that does the weight release alone and one that does our weight loss program in combination with balancing hormones. And group 2 always has accelerated results based on the added feature of balancing those hormones through supplementation. You can take the test. It's so easy. All you have to do is order it. It gets shipped directly to your home. It's done in the convenience of your home. When you're ready, first thing in the morning, you then place it in the fridge and freeze it, ship it to the lab, and you will get the results back from Aveda in about 10 business days with a very customized educational piece specific to you. I'm very confident that this saliva hormone kit is a game changer for women when they combine it with the right weight release program. So if you can see the value in that, please click on the link below, send us a message, and we will do the rest for you, and you will get your results to get started.